do you think?
Take a few snaps.
Snaps.
Okay.
What?
I don't know. I see like a little bulby area just beyond those power lines, just left of the road.
Yeah, it's a nice living, breathing storm right here. Yeah, let's get. I think we're missing a lot of that cool action on the backside there.
Yeah. Gone. Nothing overhead, right?
Not as far as you know.
It's good enough for me. I guess if my winds rapidly go from the west, I don't know. Something's wrong.
Another. Yeah, several needles just keep trying to form on that left side.
It just can't wrap. It just can't wrap that It needs to wrap that precip from the left side over. You can see how it has that big area on the left side. In fact, that might be the area to look at. So that's where the precip's actually wrapping around.
Looks like it's getting a little thicker.
Yeah. Probably getting
not
closer.
less raggedy.
Right, heading right for us.
Yeah, it's probably it's basically heading straight east, maybe a little bit south of east. What do you think?
I'm ready to go. I don't see it do anything to come soon. Famous last words.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh,
goodness, this is serious stuff now. Very rapid rotation to our southwest.
Let's take this on.
You zoomed in, or are you far out?
I'm
Almost. All right, I got film on it. Because there's an interesting area directly to our west still. This whole thing is one big wall cloud. Woo! We're booking in there. Don't want to be driving the truck in that, man. Alright, the southwestern flank again. Starting to get some rotation. Rapid rotation, southern flank. Lower appendage on near pointing towards ground. Want to stop soon. Want to stop soon. Need to stop soon. Oh, you can actually see the rain curtains wrapping around now. You see them?
Yep.
That's usually a precursor, and every tornado I've seen has those rain curtains wrap around visibly.
Rising sky right to our west.
And the tornado usually forms left of where I think it would.
Here's the sirens.
Oh, I'm almost directly west of us now. Rotation right there. Broad air rotation.
south a little bit?
Now I want to see what this does for a few minutes here.
Okay.
Because this left side is starting to roll over to the right side. So we almost have this entire thing kind of rotating on itself. Plus we're getting close to town, aren't we? Seems to want to do the funnels on the left side. Even though I see the rotation on the right. Alright. You want to consider going south. Camera, I got a camera on it. There's that rapid rotating area there. But it seems so low, so slow, but it's because it's so high. We're in the path.
Right up on this counter at the right time, too. Alright. We got this.
Weird how it's that precipitation core to its left. This is like McCook. Big old rapid, big old rotating.
It's just so broad, though. That's what bad. Just need something to help tighten it up.
No internet, of course, because everybody's here. We should have good contrast in the back side.
What's that?
We'll have good contrast in the back side. There's something going on back just west of this road. That's where the rotation's kind of the most rapid. So if it's coming across right about now.
Power flashes.
It's on the left side.
It's got the eerie calm.
Look who's behind us. Stream Tornado Tours.
Huh.
It's weird how it just stopped and just blasted us out. We gotta watch out for the RFD. But it's crazy that it hasn't kicked it out. It hasn't kicked that RFD out in front of us, so that just tells you how. Oh crap, look at that. Book. Which way you want to book?
I gotta take a picture of that.
We got like his needle funnel from the front. Come here. What's that thing?
Yeah, baby. Power lines.
Alright, where are they going? They going east or south? don't want to go yet. It's still rapidly rising right there. But we got a Habuob coming for us. It's about a mile away, 1 mile. Habuob is 1 mile away.
Habuob is 1 mile. Really helpful.
Habuob is 3/4 of a mile away. 3/4 of a mile. Habuob. I said we go east and see that road. See everybody's taking that. Habuob! This info's insane. Like I'm kind of spooked out by what's just west of us. I don't know, man. I think when the catbirds see this, is just blowing right in this thing. Oh, northwest, yeah.
The new circulation.
Yeah, there you go.
You keep videoing. I'm gonna take some stills.
Hey, there's something in there. It's gotta be. We're getting some storms coming in from our southeast at us. Oh, good grief, it's lower, just northwest. Ah, it's coming way low. Way low. Got a cone look to it now.
Yeah. Got it.
We're blowing right into it too. Look at the dust down there on the road feeding into it. Maybe we can throw some dust in there and get us there's a little needle funnel on the left side. Rope funnel. Oh, give me a satellite vortice, dude. Seriously.
Keep rolling, man.
At some point, God's gonna open up the window. We're like, oh my gosh. What is that?
Come on. That'd be perfect. Perfect area. We don't have precip coming up on us. Come on, do it right there.
Look away from it. Don't you see some structure behind it? Or as you look away?
What's that?
I feel like I see something behind it when I don't look at it.
Yeah.
There's
using
like-
your averted vision.
There's like an extra shadow, like a really low shadow behind it. And I'm starting to come into view right now. Oh, crap. I wish I knew how to manipulate my, Everybody's starting to drop south.
You have another funnel coming up right there?
Could be. I think these are satellite funnels we're seeing. There might be a large tornado out there. People running away from it?
This whole thing. Look at the whole thing.
Oh my goodness.
Thing.
Maybe when we contrast it out, you'll see something back there. I'm still eating steak. There's still steak there. Okay, starting to come into view, the notch.
See that little dusty area down there?
Yeah.
Let's see, like,
Try and get a contrast on that.
test it out on here.
Could just be precip wrapping around. Keep an eye on the storm to our east.
Okay.
Doing interesting things right there. 2 minutes of this so we can get out of it. That little dusty area we see may be the outer circulation, or it could just be the RFD. What's going on down there? Left to right dust. Okay, it's wrapping something on the front side again.
Really tight circulation in that area right there.
Yeah, right in the front right.
Yeah. It's got a meso. I think there's a TBS on it. See the dust flowing into it.
Yeah.
In the base. I wouldn't be surprised if something went down right there right now.
I just don't want to. It's almost like something's stopping this guy to come further south. It's kind of almost going east and north. There's dust flowing up into it. It's trying to form another meso here on the northwest side. Is this nigh the twister, Steve?
I think so.
What's going on over here? I see another wall cloud forming to our northwest. Up behind that rain. Alright, you got better contrast, northeast. A little bit.
It's coming out. Whatever it is.